Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a clean with me, and I am deep cleaning my entire downstairs. So that includes my kitchen, my living room, my dining room, my bathroom, my laundry room, everything that's downstairs. I'm going to deep clean it. A lot of the stuff that I did clean did not get filmed. This is a disclaimer because my camera died right in the middle of me cleaning. Yay. But I will kind of walk you through what all I did. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and like it, and here we go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. So as you can see, the first thing that I always start out with when I'm cleaning a certain room is I tidy it up. So as far as the kitchen goes, the first thing that I start out with is emptying the dishwasher and loading the dishwasher, and then I will get into cleaning. I just have to have a tidy room before I can start cleaning. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and So before I get judged for using Lysol wipes, I already know that I shouldn't be using them because they have a lot of chemicals, blah, blah, blah. I get that. But I have not found a cleaning product yet that I have fully become obsessed with. I've tried the Mrs. Meyer's and I've tried the Honest Company. I have one of the Norwex cloths coming in the mail, so I'm gonna try that. I've heard a lot of people raving about the Norwex, so I'm gonna try those out. But for right now, Lysol's all I got, so I'm gonna use this and clean the whole house. And don't judge me, or do, I don't care. Just you, That's you, and I am just using the Lysol wipes again to clean off all of the cabinets. I don't show me cleaning off them all, but I do clean all of the cabinets off as well as all the drawers, and I make sure to wipe down the stove as well.
Me and you, girl, you and me. Up into the floor, make me see your energy pick up. Me not play no hide and seek. Is it the thing you ever make me feel me, girl? Free. Anytime you whine and catch it, this selector, pull it up and put it on the beat, girl. Play the touch and I know me pocket, cause nothing in this world ain't more than what you wear. More than diamond, more than gold. Make the day just take control. You worth more than diamond, more than gold. We understand, get out of control.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb.
Also, I would normally take the plate out of the microwave and wash it, but I just ran it through the dishwasher like earlier this week, so I didn't really have any need to wash that again, and so I'm just leaving that in there and wiping it all down.
Beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
So normally the last thing that I would do is vacuum and then mop everything, but I don't know why I decided to do this before I clean the living room. I'm doing everything backwards, but it's fine. I'm vacuuming the entire downstairs area with my cordless vacuum cleaner that I'm obsessed with, and then I am going to mop everything. And then after my camera died, which is really annoying, I went back and I used the floor shine, which I will attach a link to that below, and I just quickly went over my entire floor after I mopped it and it was dry, and I shined it up to make it look very pretty and polished. And then I wiped down all of the furniture in the living room with the same thing that I used for the refrigerator, which is the multi-surface spray. And then I cleaned the bathroom, wiped down everything in the dining room, and then I dusted all the picture frames, and that's pretty much all I did.
When he opened his wings and fly on by to the beat of a silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb. You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that's kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings and fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that is kicking me till I'm numb.
So I have completed cleaning the entire downstairs. It feels so much better in here. I feel a lot cleaner and more relaxed now that I know that everything in the kitchen is clean finally. I don't ever want to go that long without deep cleaning my kitchen and my living room and my entire downstairs ever again. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will be posting some more cleaning and DIY videos. I have a lot of fun things coming up, so I hope that you stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.